we'd be able to put the brand Navien and introduce it to a lot more people that weren't aware of the new product. Every opportunity we get gives us a chance to put the brand Navien and show its quality. We've had major interest in Navien, which is really exciting in Scotland. Scotland currently is one of our most successful areas. We've had tremendous interest, technical area, where we've had a stand, open parts, and it's really worked well for us. It's been a success because every time we put Navien in front of anybody, it's something new, it's exciting, and people have shown a great interest.
We picked up and we got a great price for it, installed it 2 days later, and the performance ever since then has been, well, it's been exceptional. Very easy to install, very easy to use.
The boiler itself is a quality boiler, brass, stainless steel, all good components, and again the support we get from Navien as a manufacturer is second to none.
One of the main things you look for, especially in a combi, is a hot water output, providing you've got the incoming supply for it. It's great.